In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Outlook emails with Monday.com. This powerful integration streamlines your workflows, ensuring that important email communications are automatically connected to your project management tasks. It significantly reduces manual data entry, centralizes information, and improves team collaboration by automating key processes between your email inbox and your project boards. To begin, your first step is to go to your Monday.com workspace. Your workspace is the central hub where all your projects, boards, and tasks are organized. Navigating to the correct workspace ensures you're setting up the integration for the specific projects and teams you intend to connect with your Outlook emails. Once you are in your desired board within that workspace, you're ready for the next step. Next, you'll need to locate and click on the Integrate button. This button is typically found at the top of your Monday.com board interface. The integration section is where Monday.com allows you to connect with hundreds of other applications, bringing their functionalities directly into your project management environment. Clicking this button opens up the available integration options. Once you're in the Integration Center, you'll then click on Outlook. This selection specifically tells Monday.com that you want to establish a connection with your Microsoft Outlook email service. You'll see various integration choices listed, but selecting Outlook is crucial to proceed with syncing your emails and creating automated actions between your inbox and your Monday.com boards. After selecting Outlook, your next action is to choose a template. Monday.com provides a range of pre-built integration templates, often called recipes. These templates are designed to simplify automation by offering common scenarios. For example, you might select a template that says, "When an email arrives from a specific sender, create an item in this board," or "When an item's status changes, send an email notification." Carefully choose the one that best fits your workflow needs to automate tasks and manage email-related items efficiently. Finally, with your template chosen, you'll click on the Connect button. This initiates the secure authentication process between Monday.com and your Outlook account. You will likely be prompted to log into your Microsoft account if you aren't already, and then you'll need to grant Monday.com the necessary permissions to access certain aspects of your Outlook data, such as reading emails or sending notifications. This is a standard security measure to ensure you authorize the connection. Once connected and permissions are granted, your chosen integration recipe will be active, and Monday.com will begin working with your Outlook emails according to the automation you've set up.